Hi, I'm Angelica and we're here at the New York Botanical Gardens for the holiday train show that happens every year. We're about to head into the conservatory to check it out, so come on, let's go. And now we're standing in front of this building that we're actually in. Extremely meta.
Everybody comes to see the train show. People like me who love plants, people who love architecture. We get train aficionados.
Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge is one of the best things to do in New York City. I might not be able to walk over this bridge, but I can walk under it.